A short sale in real estate does not mean you're going to sell your house real fast. Now, you've probably heard the term floating around, maybe in the news or from friends, but what exactly is a short sale? Well, it's when a homeowner sells their property for less than what they still owe on their mortgage. Now, think of it this way. Imagine you owe $300,000 on the loan that you used to purchase your home. Over time, maybe due to financial hardship, you can no longer afford the payments. You decide to sell, but the current market value of your home is only $250,000. If you sell it for $250,000, you're still short $50,000 on your original loan. That is the essence of a short sale. You are short of what is owed on your mortgage. So why would a lender agree to this? It seems like they'd be losing money, right? And you're absolutely correct. The lender does take a loss in a short sale. However, in many cases, it's actually a less costly option for them compared to going through the entire foreclosure process. Foreclosure involves legal fees, the cost of maintaining the property while it's vacant, and then eventually selling it themselves, often at auction for potentially even less than a short sale price. So a short sale can be a way for the lender to cut their losses and move on. Now, if you're a homeowner considering a short sale, there are a few key things you need to understand. First and foremost, it's not a quick or easy process. It requires the lender's approval, and they'll want to see a significant reason for your financial hardship. This could be job loss, medical expenses, divorce, or other unforeseen circumstances, but you have to have some type of a hardship. You'll need to provide them with a lot of documentation, including financial statements, proof of income, and an explanation of your situation. The lender will then evaluate your case and decide whether or not to approve the short sale. It's important to understand the potential impact on your credit score. While a short sale is generally less damaging than a foreclosure, it will still likely have a negative impact. The severity will depend on your individual credit history. And here's another crucial point. Even after a short sale, the lender might still be able to pursue what's called a deficiency judgment in some states. This means they could try to recover the remaining balance you owed on the mortgage. It's essential to discuss this possibility with your real estate agent and, even more important, legal counsel. Now, what about buyers? Is a short sale a good opportunity for them? Potentially, yes. Short sale properties can sometimes be purchased below market value. However, buyers need to be prepared for a potentially longer and more complex transaction. The lender's approval process can take time, and there's always a chance the deal could fall through. As short sale properties are typically sold as is, meaning the seller is unlikely to make any repairs, so buyers need to do their due diligence and be prepared for potential issues. So, to recap, a short sale is a way for a struggling homeowner to sell their property for less than what they owe on their mortgage, with the lender's permission, of course. It can be a less damaging alternative to foreclosure for the seller and a potential opportunity for buyers, but it comes with its own set of complexities and considerations for both parties. If you're a homeowner facing financial difficulties or a buyer considering a short sale property, it's absolutely crucial to work with an experienced real estate professionals like myself and potentially seek legal advice. They can guide you through the process and help you understand your rights and options. Now, that's it for today's video on short sales. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real estate insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you folks on the next one.